Hi, I'm Madonna. I've been asked to do a healing for people with post-traumatic stress, something that they can play in times of trauma and just feel some calming energy in their bodies. I'm going to use my central and governing meridian tuning forks. Central meridian feeds the conscious brain, and the governing meridian comes up the spine and it feeds the unconscious brain. When we get stuck in survival that's in that unconscious part of the brain that says life's never going to be easy again. Keep your challenges, keep your dukes up, keep your survival patterns running. It's all about safety. So this is a session that I hope just brings about some peace and calm. As you're breathing in, breathe in some calming blue energy. Imagine healing blue light attaching to every cell, every pore, every part of your body. When you're breathing out, release all negativity. I choose peace. I choose calm. I release all past hurts and challenges that no longer serve me. Feel that blue light attaching to every cell in your body and shaking out the negativity. Release that negativity with your out breath. Now I want you to breathe in golden light, golden healing light. Breathe in golden light, breathe out negativity. Breathe in golden light. Feel it in your pores. Feel it in your cells. Feel it permeating all of your energy circuits in your body. I choose calm. I choose peace. I release all negativity. I release all past hurts and challenges that no longer serve me. Run your central meridian. Feel that energy going to your frontal cortex. Your frontal cortex wants to find solutions for you. Ask yourself, what is the solution to my problem? There is a solution. What is a solution that helps me find positivity, health and wellness in my life? Now we're going to hold some oscillation points. Touch between your forehead, between your eyebrows, and on the tip of your pubic bone. Hold these points for 5 to 10 seconds. Quite often you'll feel a deep breath come through when the cells release some energy and start working correctly. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. And again, run your central meridian. Feed that conscious brain. Release any negativity. I choose calm. I choose peace. I release all past hurts and challenges that no longer serve me. Now we're going to do some switching points. Hand on the navel. fingers on your kidney 27s below your collarbone. So rub your kidney 27s below your collarbone. That connects the left and right sides of the brain. So imagine the energy zipping from one side of the brain to the other, allowing you to find logical, creative and emotional solutions to your problem. Swap hands, hand on the navel, and rub those kidney 27 points, allowing better energy supply from the logical to the creative sides of your brain. Breathe in and out. I choose peace. I choose calm. I release all negativity. I release all past hurts and challenges that no longer serve me. Just feel that energy vibrating through the layers of your aura. Feel that energy vibrating in every cell in your body. I choose calm. I choose peace. I release all negativity. I release all past hurts and challenges that no longer serve me. Can you imagine that blue light permeating through your body? Can you imagine that golden light permeating through your body? Imagine that light permeating every layer of your aura, so you're protected everywhere you go. I feel protected. I feel safe. I feel protected. I feel safe. I am loved and I am lovable. I am loved and I am lovable. It's fun being human. Life is good. It's fun being human. Life is good. Have a fabulous day.